Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Latanya Stewart here at my Stuff That Blings boutique. Thanks again for tuning in and joining me as I bring you April's fashion fix. You guys ready for this? You guys are going to flip your lid. Okay, so by now you are all familiar with the fashion fix. I am going to show you April's sneak peek. You guys hang on for at least 30 seconds because you gotta see this. In fact, share it, watch all of it because you just never know. That very last set that I show might be the set that you want to see. Okay. So, again, thanks for coming back. If you're new, welcome. I'm your paparazzi girl, Latanya Stewart. And without further ado, let's get right into this review. I don't know if I necessarily want to call it a review because it's just a preview. That's the word. It's a preview of what's coming up ahead in April. All right, I'm gonna start with my favorite to the least. Okay. By the way, I love all of these, but I'm going in order with the ones that I like mostly. My rating from 1 to 5. This is the Magnificent Musings. Let me know in the comments which set you like, okay? By the way, 1, 2, 3, I have 4 of these on my website already. Just an FYI, unless someone buys them up before I finish this video. But these are currently on my website. This is the Magnificent Musings. I love this necklace. It is a short, almost choker style necklace. It's a two-tone metal, so you have your silver chain with your gold ball. Oh my God, isn't this awesome? I love it. And this is going to sit probably like right in the crook of your neck there. It does have its extender, so you can make it a little bit lengthier if you'd like. But this is the necklace. Oh my God, this is my favorite set, guys. Love it. The bracelet is exactly the same. It's not as stretchy. I know in the past we've had bracelets like this that have been stretchy. This is not stretchy. So I love it's dainty. It's multi-strand, but it's all one bracelet. Here's the extender. It does have the lobster claw. The earrings. Okay, normally we have like a bracelet, necklace, earring, and a ring. This Magnificent Musing set does not have a ring. It actually has 2 earrings. This is the first pair. Love them. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. All right, y'all know I love the little flirty, little fringy things. I'm just so elated with the set. Oh my gosh. And these are the second pair of earrings. Now these, if y'all are not up with the times, then the cuff earrings are coming back into place. Okay, they're coming back into play. This one, and since we're doing the mixed metal, this is a gold earring. It has the gold standard bar or the gold plain bar, and then a little bar of rhinestones. My camera's not in focus because it wants to focus on me and not the jewelry. And as you can see, it has the opening there for a cuff. Now this one is a very small opening. With that being said, if you have a thicker ear, then this one may be a little bit harder to get on, or you may have to have it sit a little bit lower on your ear and maybe just pierce the outside as opposed to cuffing the whole inside of your ear. It really depends on your ear type and how thick your ear cartilage is. Okay, so those are the 4 pieces for the Magnificent Musing. The next set that I absolutely love, holy moly, you guys wait till you look at the bling that's on this necklace. This is our Fiercely Fifth Avenue. Check it out. This is all white bling with a little bit of um, iridescent spill over top of it. Look at the shimmer coming from, oh my, is this not, this is gorgeous, right? Oh my goodness. You can pause the video and look at it. It's gorgeous. I give you permission. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, that's the necklace. This is the bracelet. And again, this is on the lobster clasp with a 2-inch extender. So again, these are the white rhinestones with a little bit of iridescent topping or coating, layering. These are the earrings. I love this set. I tell you, it's right up there with my magnificent musings for this month. Again, this is Fiercely Fifth Avenue, and if you love this, yes, let me know in the comments. What do you like? This one is, well, all of our rings are on the stretchy back, okay? This is the thick one. Normally, I think that this would have been a thin, but because it's such a wide ring, because you have 2 rows of rhinestones, and then another row of baby rhinestones, and then that one little solitaire rhinestone right there in the middle. Well, I guess it's not in the middle, but in the middle of that particular bar. All right, so that's the Fiercely Fifth Avenue. The next one that I love, oh my gosh, this one is the Glimpses of Malibu. My pop of color girls, look at this. Oh my heavens. Good golly, Miss Molly, look at this. Isn't this absolutely adorbs? I love this. It reminds me of hard candy. You know what I mean? Like, then it's like you just want, it's like strawberry, orange, and lemon hard candy. That's what it reminds me of. Super cute. And again, this is a shorter style necklace. These are the earrings that go with it. Love it. Love, love, love. This set, I'm telling you, it's gorgeous. This is the ring. It's on a skinny stretch back. This is the ring. Oh my goodness. Do you not love this? How fun is this set? And this is the bracelet. It is a hinge. Here you can see the hinge. It is a hinge bracelet, and it does not clamp all the way, so it's like a cuff, as opposed to like our hinges that look like bangle bracelets. This is a hinge that is more like a cuff. It doesn't close all the way. But again, it's got that hard candy look to it too. Oh my gosh. So those are my top 3 out of the 5. Okay. This one I like. This one's a Simply Santa Fe. So our Santa Fe ones normally, as you all know by now, if you've been following paparazzi and you're a paparazzi girl too, then you know the Santa Fe sets are normally more with the naturals and the natural stone, that type thing. But here we got a more of a green with a little bit of turquoise in there. It is a 3-bead layered with the little silver charms hanging from it. These are the earrings that come with it, which is actually pretty cool because, you know, usually we have like the chain earrings, but these are the beaded earrings. I like this. I like it. I like it. This one, we do not have a ring. We have 2 bracelets, okay? This is the first one. It looks identical to the necklace, okay? So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual stretchy bands with the charms, okay? And the thing about these individual sets or stacks is that you can mix and match, stack them up with anything, whether it be a plain bangle or some other stretchy bracelets. You can mix and match. And I am all about the mix and match, especially when it's just like $5 and it's so versatile. You can do so much with it. Like these. These are a set of 5 individual bangles with the charms. So you can have this bracelet on one arm and these on the other. You can stick them all together on one arm. You can mix and match them up together. You can put a couple of these with some other kind of paparazzi bracelet that you have. And there's just so much stuff you can do. Okay. So those are the 2 bracelets that come with that set. And these are the earrings. It's on a post back. And you have your charms and your flirty hangy fringe, which I love, with the little discs on there, and your turquoise stone. Gorgeous. And last but not least, this is a super fun set, guys. Oh my gosh. It's beach weather. Well, it's about to be beach weather. And we already know that beach wear or the beach motif is in for this season. And what better way to say it is spring, give me, or summer, give me the beach, than to have this set of starfish. Look how absolutely fun this is. This is our Santa Fe, or not Santa Fe, sunset sightings. This is the 3-inch extender. It has the little starfish earrings. Look at the starfish charms on there. Don't you love it? Yes, we love it, right? And this is more of a choker style necklace. And everything else plays off of the starfish theme. So you have your charmed starfish bracelet. Okay. We love this. And this is a multicolor too, guys. You know, you can do so many things with the multicolors. If you want to wear it with a plain background, or if you have a multicolor and you want to pull out, one of the individual colors, you can certainly do that. This one is our, I guess more like a teal. The ring with the little skinny, stretchy back. Oh my gosh. And then the earrings. Look how precious. Oh my gosh. And it's got the little curly Q in there, just like the ring has this little curly Q in there. Love it. So that is the sunset sightings. This has been all 5 of the Fashion Fix sets for April. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at them just as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. Right now, as I am making this video, everything is available on my, no, it's not. One just got sold. Okay, so the Magnificent Musings is not on my website anymore. But the other 4 are. So if you like what you see and you want to snatch them up now, go to my website, www.stuffthatblings.com. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you want to see more Fashion Fix and maybe a little something extra later on, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I drop a new video here. You guys, thanks for tuning in. Smooches, love you bunches. Have an awesome day. Bye.